Everybody knows that men hate to stop and ask for directions. My husband is no different. Every time we get lost, we drive around for hours before he finally pulls over and asks for help. One Saturday, we saw an ad in the newspaper for a country dance and picnic at a farm outside of town. We fixed up our old cowboy hats, cut out the map from the newspaper, and started driving. After a few hours, I brought up the fact that we were lost. Of course, my husband lost his temper when I suggested we ask someone for directions. "I can find it," he yelled. I didn't see any point in fighting about it, so I just told him, by all means, carry on. After another hour of driving, I decided it was high time to ask for help. By chance, we passed a little gas station with an old man sitting out by the pumps. My husband agreed to stop because we needed gas, but he drew the line at asking for directions. I got out of the car and walked over to the old man. Before I asked him anything, he smiled and said, "The map is wrong. It's Highway 23, not 32. "How did you know?" I asked in surprise. "You're the fifth woman whose husband has gotten lost in the last hour."